Hey guys, what's going on? So check out what I just designed. This right here is an origami box, and what's really cool about it is that when you open up the box, it turns into a hat, and you can wear the hat. See? Just like that. Isn't that cool? And you can close it up. See? Closes up back into the box. Just like that. Alright, we'll learn how to fold it. Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so here's what the model looks like up close. So it's a nice closed box, and this is how you turn it into the hat. So you have to open up the box like this. See? And now it turns into a nice hat, just like this. And this is actually related to these hats that I taught last year, right here. But pretty much what I did is I just modified it, and then I modified it by coming up with a way to turn it into a box. And yeah, and here's what I came up with. So yeah, so you just close up the flaps just like this. See, now it's a box, just like that. Alright, well, we're gonna fold it. Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I used a 10-inch square of kami. And that's what I'm gonna use, but you could try it from a 6-inch square to get one like this, or you could probably do it from a sheet of printer paper cut squares. So let's begin right side up, and let's fold in half. Or you can just do any side up, because we're gonna make an 8x8 grid of generalist creases. So if you know how to do that, then skip to this point. So fold in half like this, and unfold, and now fold the two sides to the crease. So we're making a door base now. Okay, and now fold the raw edge to the top. And same here. Okay, and then now fold this down, and let's fold this edge to the top. And turn over, and fold in half. Okay, and now completely unfold. Alright, now, let's make these creases generalist now. So make sure that the second crease right here is a mountain, and the first one's a valley. So be on that side, whatever is that. Okay, so fold up 2 units up, so fold on the mountain fold. So now we're reversing the mountain fold, and fold 1 unit down, so we're reversing that valley. Okay, and then now 2 units up, 1 unit down. We're making a paper fan. And 2 up, 1 down. And turn over and fold in half. Okay, just like this. And now they are genderless. Okay, and now let's do that in the other direction. And I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this part. Okay, just like that. Alright, now, colored side up now, and the middle square is right here. Okay, so, what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take this raw edge, and we're gonna fold it, to this crease right here. So this is the 3rd crease down from this raw edge. So 1, 2, 3. So fold it to this crease. But don't crease the whole thing, just crease 3 units on the left side, and 3 units on the right side. Like that. Do not crease in the middle. Unfold and repeat in the opposite direction. So fold this edge. So we're making a crease right here. Well, the crease is right here. So fold it, yeah, fold it to this crease right here. And just crease 3 units on both sides. So, right here, and right there. Okay? And now let's do that in this direction now. So here we go. So fold it to this crease right here. And don't crease the whole thing, just crease, actually it's 4 units now because there's 2 small units right here, so just crease from here to there, like this. And same on this side, so make sure everything aligns, and just crease from here to there. So 1, 2, 3, 4 units. Alright, and now do that on the other side. So 4 units on this side, and 4 units here. Okay, just like that. Alright, now turn over, and now we're going to make a mountain fold in this small square right here. So just pinch it like this, just like that. That's what it looks like. And now we're going to make a mountain fold that goes from this point to this point right there. Yeah, this is just like in that hat video. So I'm sure you know how to do this. And now make a fold from there to there. Alright, just like that. That's what it looks like. Okay, now I'll show you again on this one, then I'll fast forward the other 2. So, here's that small unit right there. So right before the bigger one. Make a mountain fold on there. Like this. Okay? And then now make a fold from here to there, and here to there. Okay, just like that. Alright, now repeat that on these other 2 sides. Alright, just like that. And now we're done with the pre-creasing. And now it's time to collapse it. So what we're going to do is we're going to form the middle square. So here it is, right here. Let's make sure those creases are mountains. So here, 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 and here. Okay, and now let's make these 2 mountain folds right here. And we're also forming this triangle right here of valleys. And right here and here. See? Just collapse on those existing creases, like this. And then also, this crease and this crease are also going to be valleys. So let's form this one right here too, in order to make them. So push on that triangle if any glitches in there, just like this. Alright. And then now, once you do that, you can fold up right on that crease right there. Alright, so that's just getting it started, and now let's do it on here. So let's collapse on the existing creases like this, and same here. And then now we can fold these 4 sides up. Like that. Okay. And just make sure everything's flat. Alright, so now turn over. And now let's fold these sides in half. So just fold this up just like that. And then do that all the way around. And this last one you can just fold just to about there, and then you can just kind of open that up and then extend that fold and then fold it down. It just makes it rotationally symmetric, which makes it a little bit nicer. Alright, now you can just place it on the table like this, and you can just make everything flat. Just crease sharply all the way around. Because we're turning this into a box, so you need to make sure it's flat to make it easier to do. Okay, so here it's starting to look like a hat. It's a square hat. And now let's make it a little bit nicer, so let's make it round. So fold this point to there. So we're just folding this small corner right here in half, like this. Alright, and then now turn over and place it on the table and crease that fold nice and sharp, like this. So yeah, I need to make sure these are really flat and sharp. And turn over and let's repeat that all the way around. And I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this part. Okay, so here is our hat. So there it is. Now if you just want a hat, then you're all done. But if you want to turn it into the box, then here's what we're going to do. So this is a little bit challenging, so fold at your own risk. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're just going to fold this up right over this edge. And this might look simple because it's kind of like the Tato technique, but it's actually kind of it's harder than it looks. Actually, it's kind of hard because these layers are so thick. So yeah, so just do this at your own risk. Okay, so like this, and then fold this like that. And now this last one, this is the hardest part. So fold it like this, and we're actually gonna open this up. And to make it a little bit easier, just kind of curl this triangle right here, kind of curve it a little bit. All right, and then now just try and stick this point inside there. And this is challenging, so. Even for me. Okay, and the paper is going to kind of crumple a little bit, but that's alright. But yeah, this is this is pretty hard. So I hope. There you go. So if there's any glitches, just kind of fix them up as you do this. There we go. Looks like I'm almost there. Yeah, it'll crumble a little bit. And that's the point of this model. It's not really as nice looking when it's a box, but I think it's pretty cool how it's a box though. And yeah, good enough. So there it is, the origami box. And if you do this more than one time, if you exercise it, it'll be a lot easier to form into a box. So I'm gonna unfold it. So I'm gonna turn it back into the hat. And just fix up any glitches if they're made. Alright, so now we're back to the hat. And now let's turn it into the box again. So yeah, it's a little bit easier than before now. Yeah, that was. So yeah, once you exercise it, it's much easier to do now. Alright, so now it's the box. And now let's do it one more time. You can do this however many times you want. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Alright, so there's the hat. And remember, you can put something inside. And if you want to learn how to fold this, click right here. Alright, just like that, and there is the box. So there it is. And it's not really a spinner. I'm going to turn it back into the hat now. And so there it is. Alright, well I hope you guys were able to do that. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.